Dear students, in our previous video lecture, we learnt about the divergence of a vector point function. As a continuation of that video lecture, here we are going to learn about the solenoidal vector. When do we say that a vector is solenoidal? If the divergence of the vector represented by nebula dot v vector is equal to 0, then the vector capital V is said to be solenoidal, or we can also call it as zero divergence or divergence less. So remember, whenever the value of the divergence is equal to 0, the vector is said to be a solenoidal vector. So we will learn problems on this now. So now here in this problem 37, the question is, show that the vector A is equal to x square z square I vector plus xy z square j vector minus xz cube k vector is solenoidal. Now in order to prove that the given vector is solenoidal, we have to prove that the divergence of A vector is equal to 0. So this is what we have to prove. So first we have to find the divergence and we have to check whether it is equal to 0. In order to do that, first we have to find the divergence of the given vector. The ith component is v1, jth component is taken as v2 and the kth component is taken as v3 as per the formula which we have learnt in our previous video. So therefore the divergence of A vector will be equal to partial differentiation of v1 with respect to x, partial differentiation of v2 with respect to y, plus partial differentiation of v3 with respect to z. So therefore substituting each of these values over here, we get this to be equal to dou by dou x of what is v1? Here we have x square z square. So x square z square plus dou by dou y of v2. v2 is xyz square. So xyz square plus dou by dou z of v3. What is v3? Negative xz cube. So this minus xz cube which we will substitute here. X minus xz cube. Now this will be further equal to what is the partial differentiation of this term with respect to x? For x square it is 2x. Z square will be treated as constant, so it comes as it is, plus xy z squared. The differentiation of y partially with respect to y is 1. So x and z squared will become constants and so it will be xz square. And here we have negative sign, so plus into minus becomes minus, and the partial differentiation of this with respect to z, x will be treated as constant, so it will come as it is. Differentiation of z cube is 3z squared, so 3z squared x comes as it is. So this is the divergence. Now if you see, these two terms can be added up and it can be written as, because this is 2xz square plus xz square, so it will be 3xz squared minus, here again we have 3xz squared, rewriting this. So these two terms are same and so they get cancelled and it will be equal to 0. Therefore we have proved that the divergence nebula dot A vector is equal to 0. So if the divergence is 0, then we know that A vector is solenoidal. So A is solenoidal. So this is a solenoidal vector. So this is what we have to prove. So it is hence shown. So hope you have understood how to prove that a given vector is solenoidal. We will see one more problem on the same topic. So here we have the next problem. Show that the vector point function given by this is solenoidal. So if suppose we take this as a vector, then we have to prove that. So what we have to prove in order to prove this is solenoidal, we have to prove that nebula dot A vector is equal to 0. Now this will be taken as v1, this as v2 and this as v3 as per the formula. So we know that the divergence nebula dot A vector is given by dou v1 by dou x plus dou v2 by dou y plus dou v3 by dou z. So now we shall substitute v1, v2, v3 over here. So when we substitute, we get nebula dot A vector to be equal to dou by dou x of what is v1, 3x square y. So this one, first ith component, and then plus dou by dou y of v2. v2 is the jth component, that is minus 4xy square, plus v dou by dou z of v3. What is v3? Kth component. So 2xyz. So now this will be equal to, what is the partial differentiation of this? Y will be treated as constant. Differentiation of x square is 2x. 2x multiplied with 3 is 6x. So 6xy, and plus into minus is minus. The partial differentiation with respect to y we have to do. For y squared, the partial differentiation is, the differentiation is 2y. X will be treated as constants, and 4 2 times will become 8. So 8xy we will get, plus here with respect to z, partially we have to differentiate. The differentiation of z is 1, so we will be left out with 2xy. So when we add up these two terms, we get this to be equal to 8xy, and this term is minus 8xy. And since these two terms are 8xy minus 8xy, they get cancelled and it becomes 0. Therefore, we obtain nebula dot A vector to be equal to 0, which implies that the vector A is solenoidal. Hence, we have proved. So hope you have understood this concept of proving a vector to be solenoidal. So now in our next video, we will learn to find the unknowns when a vector point function is a solenoidal vector, and when we have unknowns in that vector, we will be learning how to find those unknowns. So kindly follow the next video lecture, and it is of course a very significant topic too. Thank you.